Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening.
Today, we are going to learn the kickboxing set. The kickboxing set is a series of kicks that I teach at my martial arts school. The style of martial arts we do is Shaolin Kung Fu. In Shaolin Kung Fu, there are many levels. White, yellow, then orange, which are beginner. Green, blue, then purple, which are intermediate. Red and brown, which are advanced. After advanced, you get your black belt and the title Senior Disciple. And after that, you get your title Shifu, which is another form of black belt. Shifu is Chinese for teacher. This is my level. And as a teacher, I teach kickboxing to the red belts, which are the advanced students, meaning that the kickboxing set is advanced but not impossible.
Warning: please not attempt for the first time without stretching and supervision of an instructor. The difficulty is advanced. Okay, on to the set. This is a kickboxing set. Okay, let's learn it. Don't worry, it is not that difficult. Make sure you're wearing flexible and bendy clothing so there won't be any holes in your ripped clothing.
Like any physical activity, you need to stretch first. Because this is a series of kicks, you really need to stretch out your legs. So, an example of a few stretches you can do is you can sit down. You can spread your feet apart as far as you can. Pick a foot, your left or your right. I'll do my left. Grab it with both hands and try to put your forehead to your knee, like so. During your first try, it may look like this, but with practice, you'll get your head to your knee. You can do it on the right and the center. So. Another stretch you can do is the butterfly stretch, where you bring your feet together so that your legs make wings, like so. Another stretch you can do, you can stand up, spread your feet apart, put your hands on your knees, and pick a side, your left or your right, and bend that knee as far as you can go, trying to keep both feet flat. This stretches out your hips. You can also do it on both sides. There are many stretches that you can do, and those were just a couple of examples. After stretching, you are officially ready to begin. First step, you can face any direction when doing this set. But for the sake of the camera, I'm going to face this way. Now, step number 1. Stand nice and tall with your feet together. Next, make sure you look straight ahead, head up, chest out, hands by your side. To say that you're ready, slap your hands on your legs like so. That signifies you're ready. Step 2, step back and get into your Shibu stance. Shibu stance is Chinese for cat stance. You're going to step back with your right foot. Make sure you get on your toe on your left foot. And you're going to swing your hands to your right and then to your left here. Your right hand forms a tight palm. All fingertips are together, thumb is tucked in. Your left hand is making a crane, like so. So that is what your hands are doing. Your legs, your weight is being shifted to your back foot with about 90% of it. Then you're going to bend your right leg and sink, bending your left foot just a little bit. That is your Shibu stance. And that is step 2, Shibu. Next step, get into your Kung Fu stance with an uppercut. You're going to step forward with your left foot. Your right hand is going to hit your right leg, uppercut. Now your left hand is going to check by grabbing your hand, like so. You are entering a kung fu stance, which is Chinese for bow and arrow stance. Your left leg is making like a flat surface. Your back leg is bent, both feet are flat. Kung fu. Next, you're going to shift back, putting a little bit of weight on your back foot. Your right hand hits your right leg and your left hand hits your left leg. This is called the half model stance. Make sure your toe is pointing straight ahead and this toe is pointing to the side. Here. Next, you're going to stand up, swing your arms back, and take 2 steps. 1, 2. Then you're going to do a jump kick. Now, let's break that kick down. You're going to take 1 step, 2 steps, and simply raise your leg. That's all your leg is doing. Your hands are hitting here, then hitting your foot here. One hand is out, the other is straight ahead. 1, 2. With the leg, that's 1, 2. Now, the only difference is you are doing it in mid-air. So from the half marble, you're going to step, 1, 2, you're going to jump and hit. Next, you're going to do the same kick, except on the ground. This time, taking 3 steps. Starting with the right foot. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now let's see what we have. We have our hands together. Shibu. Kung Fu uppercut. Half Mabu. Stepping with the right foot. 1, 2, jump. Then 1, 2, 3. Next is called the outside crescent kick. A kick that looks like this. So, basically what you're doing is lifting your leg and bringing it around. It's going up and around. Now, your hands are forming here and your foot is hitting both hands, making that 2 sound hit. So after your second kick here, you're stepping with your right foot and kicking with your left. This kick should open you up and facing a 45-degree angle this way. The next kick is called swallowtail kick. Swallowtail kick looks like this. Okay? Again, quite easy to do. First, how about we break it down? Take your right foot, and you're going to bring it around. Just do this. Just bring it around and do a twirl in the air, like so. That's it. Now, when you step, with the left foot, make sure you're swinging your right. Now, the next part of this kick is to swing your left leg after the right. So after the right leg comes, so does the left. It's all done in one jump. That's what your legs are doing. Now, you will be hitting your feet with your left hand. And when you land, bring your left foot in front, get back in the Kung Fu stance. Bring your right hand in front, make a fist. Left hand checks, grabbing your wrist here. Right? The next step, you're going to hit your thighs and turn on your back foot, which should be your right foot, and hit again. Okay? Let's review what we have. Okay. Hit. Shibu. Step. Uppercut. Hit. Back. Swing. Jump. going to do an outside crescent kick again. Leg is going up and that way. Hitting with your two hands again. After you kick, bring the foot lateral to your left leg. You're going to punch with your left hand, right hand comes above, like so. And you are once again in your Kung Fu stance. All right? Next is the tornado kick, which looks like this. Again, it's very easy to do, just looks hard. So, from here, you're going to stand up, step with your left foot, bring your right in front, and jump and kick. We're going to bring it down even more. From here, just stand up, left. To get yourself started, bring the right in front, simply bring your left leg in, turn, jump, and try to get your foot. Okay? Make sure you're hitting with your left hand. Again, stand up, left, bring the right around. Okay? The more you practice, it will blend into one kick. Now, when you land for your tornado, you're facing this way. 2 tight fists at your waist. Next is a side kick. You're going to throw a side kick about chest level. In order to do a side kick, tuck your leg, extend, and put it down. Make sure your foot is facing this way. Next, and the last kick is your axe kick. You're going to bring the foot all the way around to the center, okay? So, side kick, foot comes all the way around to the center. Pick it up as high as you can, bring it around to the center. And that would be kickboxing set. Okay, now that you have all the moves, time to put it all together slowly. Watch. Shibu. Now it is time to put it together full speed. Now, you are not expected to get this on the first try. The key is to break it down, kick by kick, and it is not as hard as it looks. So, make sure to practice, 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 and you'll get it, even if you're not an advanced belt in martial arts.
Oh, 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 oh.